single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tammy Queen and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing something totally different. So I'm going to prepare spaghetti with saltfish and French fried chicken that is already prepared. So what is going in this spaghetti? Right here we have sweet pepper. We have sweet pepper, scallion, onion, tomato, carrot, and cucumber. We have a little piece of thyme here and hot pepper. So we already have the oil here ready. So first we're going to add the onion. Okay. Hold up the phone. Yeah, hold it. So after that, now we're going to add the scallion. Then the sweet pepper. And we're going to add the hot pepper. And the cucumber. What we're going to add next is the tomato. Then we're going to add the carrot. So you're just going to keep on stir. So next we're going to add the saltfish. So we're going to add this spaghetti now. So I'm going to put a little black pepper. We're going to add a little more. So there you have it, guys. Just going to leave it for just 5 seconds. So guys, this is the finishing look with my spaghetti and my french fried chicken, and I also add a cup of pumpkin rice. So do remember to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys.